Are you thinking about upgrading to the Paramount Plus Ad-Free plan? Here's a quick breakdown of the benefits and key things to consider before making your decision. Step 1. Know the plans. Paramount Plus offers two main plans. Essential plan includes ads and is more affordable. Ad-free plan, no ads, but at a higher cost. Step 2. Benefits of the ad-free plan. No ads, enjoy uninterrupted content. Exclusive content, early access to new episodes and special shows. Better experience, a cleaner, smoother streaming experience. Step 3. Consider the cost. The ad-free plan costs more, so think about whether it's worth the extra expense for an ad-free experience. Step 4. Evaluate your viewing habits. Do you watch a lot on Paramount Plus? Is avoiding ads important to you? Do you binge watch often? If yes, the ad-free plan might be right for you. Step 5. Drawbacks. Higher price, you'll pay more for the ad-free plan. Some live content still has ads. Live events might still have commercials. Step 6. Make your decision upgrade if you want an uninterrupted experience and don't mind paying extra. Stick with the essential plan if you prefer saving money and can tolerate ads. Step 7. How to upgrade. Log into your Paramount Plus account. Go to Account Settings. Select the ad-free plan and follow the steps to upgrade. Upgrading to the ad-free plan can enhance your viewing experience. Consider your preferences and budget to decide if it's worth it. Like, share, and subscribe for more guides. Let us know your thoughts on the ad-free plan in the comments.